This is just bomb. Okay, it's just bomb. Okay, welcome to my channel. Okay, you you see this, right? Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Watch this video. Go watch some more videos. Okay, this all this needs right here, because it's speaking for itself. Okay, so I'm about to get into this look, because like I outdid myself. I don't even like blue on me, but this is cute as hell. Okay, so yeah, good day. Okay, so we're about to make this real quick. This may be one of the simplest looks I've done, because it's really just like two colors somewhat. Okay, but we go take mint from the Bperfect Carnival palette. Okay, I haven't used this in a minute, but I had to pull it out today, and I still need to get another one. And I already primed my eyes with Makeup Revolution Concealer C8. Here we go. Because my Instagram been asking for a blue look. I think I said that in one of my previous videos. And I really don't like blue on me. Like, I would put a lot of colors on me, but blue is not one of them. Why, I don't know. I just don't like it on me for some reason. But I finally did it today. And it's like real close. Like, I like this. Yeah. I got done. I was like, oh snap. Okay, next we'll go into this color Rain Vivid Pigments palette. And we're going to take Neo Blue. And then also for the crease, we're going to take Yacht Life. So the two blues at the top right there, or at the bottom, whichever way you want to hold the palette up. Okay, and this is Neo Blue. This Vivid Pigments palette takes so much blending. My goodness, these shadows. Like, they're cute. They take so much blending to do. Like, to really get it there. Okay. Like, I'm used to blending, but with this, I gotta put a little bit more work in. Okay. And next we'll go into Yacht Life, which is a dark blue. Okay, so I went ahead and added some black in my crease just to deepen it up as usual. Then I cut my crease with the P. Louise Face in Rumor 2. So, okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of black on the outer corner. Okay, and then I'm going back into Yacht Life. and blend it next to the black a little bit and a little bit on top of it. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the e.l.f. glitter glue and I'm gonna use it as a primer for my pigment. Okay, and then the pigment I am going to use is from Jlarue, of course, and it is in the shade Aquarius. I don't know why I keep on calling it aquamarine, but it's Aquarius. Okay. I love this because it's like blue, and it also has like, it flickers to like green or teal or something. I don't know. This is so freaking pretty. Okay. And I've had this pigment for some months too, and I just never used it because I just thought it was, I don't know, I don't use blue, so that's why. But I'm definitely about to start whipping this one out. I outdo myself sometimes, okay, because this, that's all, okay? That's all. Anyways, so I'm being real extra, but I want to put this blue in my waterline, and I think I am. What is this? And Mermaid Blue, and it's from LA Girl Jug Light Eyeliner. We're about to see some real quick, okay?
You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me.
Okay, and then for my inner corner, I'm taking Jlarue Pigment and Teal Surprise. I know I use this one all the time.
Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh, you should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? Oh.
Yeah, we real blue right now. Okay, I'm just go ahead and make this a Nipsey inspired look, cause yeah, okay, but I like it. Yes, we went real dramatic with the lashes. So these are from Luxurie Lashes. Love these in style moschino. Yes, we doing all out today. Like all out. Okay. So I'm going to bronze with one of these Juvia's Place highlighters. This is in Royalty 2, I think, or 1. Either way, it'll be in the description. Yeah. Okay, I'm using this pigment from Baddie Cosmetics. The name of it will be in the description. And it's like a purple iridescent pigment. It's something really light, so. And I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution lip topper. This is in Fortune.